Fontana multifunction recessed shower head system. Product code FS5928. Retail price $2,573. Sale price $1,951. This state-of-the-art, recessed shower head provides rainfall, cascading waterfall, and/or mist functions. Additionally, there is a steady stream function that comes out of the middle of the panel, much like a giant faucet. This is perfect for weary back and shoulder muscles. LED provides visual cues to water temperature. The modern design comes with a recessed rainfall shower head and a handheld shower, cold and hot water shower mixer, and an easy-to-use mixer valve made from high-quality stainless steel material. Turn on the fun in your shower just by turning on the water. The lights will dim and brighten when you lower and raise the pressure, so you can set the perfect mood, water, and light. Fontana Thermostatic multifunction recessed shower head system features cold-hot water control type, auto-thermostat control, installation type, wall mount, quality, high quality. Material, stainless steel. Shower head feature, LED three-way function, waterfall, rainfall, mist, LED, color changing light. Shower head size, 27.5 x 14.9, 700 x 380 mm. Appearance, recessed embedded ceiling shower head. Finish, chrome. Inclusion, shower head, hand shower, mixer valve.